Hello and welcome to this GW Apps video tutorial series. Over the course of 7 short videos, including this one, we are going to create a simple yet functional task management application. Now, I've chosen a task management application for this tutorial, which is of course useful on its own, but primarily because tasking can be implemented in all kinds of applications. For example, both our simpler CRM and our event planning templates include tasking systems specific to their purposes. Now, even if you have no use for a task management system, this tutorial will still be beneficial, particularly if you're new to the platform or if you're just looking to grow your understanding and skill. This first video is just an introduction to the series. In the next video, we're going to create our application and learn about the app editor interface and features. Then in the third video, we're going to create 2 forms for our application, a project form and a task form, and then we'll connect them together in a sort of parent-child relationship. In the fourth video, we'll add workflow to each of our forms, set up an email notification to automatically alert users that a task has been assigned to them, and create a simple trigger to automatically set tasks that have passed their due date to overdue and send an in-app notification to the user alerting them. In the fifth video, we're going to customize our views, add some new views, and embed some views on one of our forms. In the sixth video, we'll change our application roles and add some security to our form so users can only see and take actions on what they're supposed to. And finally, in the 7th video, we're going to do some visual cleanup by organizing our in-app navigation, and then we'll create a simple dashboard for users to land on when launching the application. I hope by the end of this series you will feel comfortable navigating the platform in Editor and have all the knowledge and tools you need to get started creating your very own applications. So, without further ado, let's get started. As already mentioned, in the next video we're going to create our application, look at some general app settings and appearance options, and just get accustomed to the app editor. See you then.